Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is just Frontal Socio. Alright, now I am one of the Falcon Mountain. You know what? They call that hot water. You know what? And you gotta take bath or swimming here. You can bringing your egg came here. You can boil your egg came here. You know what? This is very totally hot here. But in Aceh exactly, you lot of mountain, Falcon Mountain. You will find your life. You can boil something, noodle or water or eggs here. Yeah, now one of Falcon Mountain. This is very totally famous nowadays because very totally hot. You know what? If you come to Aceh or Indonesia, don't forget stop by one of mountain. You know what? Around there, not so many people came here because that get sauna or very tall hot here. You know what? I couldn't believe it myself, my mind, because I just invite a lot of tourists for Europe, United States, or United Kingdom, Australia, and then Africa. I just invited, came here, just enjoy the view here. Alright, if you want to visit to Aceh, don't forget to stop by in Aceh because Aceh something and the other kind nothing. Alright. Now let's start have seen in life because you couldn't find life like this in your life. Alright.